Authority (GRA) on Tuesday intensified efforts to modernize tax administration by enjoining representatives of insurance companies, microfinance institutions, and foreign exchange bureaus on the integrated tax administration system (ITAS) during a sensitization workshop held at Bakadaji Hotel. The workshop forms part of GRA's ongoing drive to introduce a digital tax administration platform aimed at simplifying tax processes, improving efficiency, and reducing the cost of compliance for taxpayers. In his welcoming remarks, ITAX project manager Mr. Samba Sala said the new system is being implemented to modernize tax administration and make tax compliance easier and more cost effective. He noted that the project is financed by the World Bank through the Ministry of Finance, with GRA serving as the implementing agency.
Now, the workshop we have already started the workshop, and you have seen what some of the modules can provide. But we want it to be as interactive as possible, as I said initially, so that we get your inputs and your understanding of what your tax obligation needs are, so that we can incorporate all those things in the system. As we move on, we might need you in different forums also, because after this we'll have different sensitization workshops and tax education workshops. So we'll develop both manuals and video clips to show tax administration, and we'll need taxpayers' input in all those, so that it will, throughout the process, it will not be only GRA giving out information or materials, but it will be both GRA and taxpayers working together.
Delivering the opening remarks on behalf of the Commissioner General, Deputy Commissioner General Esa Jalo underscored the importance of stakeholder participation in the development of the system. He said GRA does not want to design and implement projects in isolation, particularly when taxpayers are among the primary users of the system.
That we at GRA, we just don't want to sit in our own quiet corners, plan, design, and execute, for programs and projects that at the end of the day are not entirely for GRA. If you look at this system, because when I came, I realized that discussions have already started around the system. You will realize that there is a component that relates to GRA in terms of our day-to-day work as tax administrators. But there is a whole lot that has to do with, the taxpayers, because without the taxpayers, the existence of GRA is meaningless.
The workshop continued with presentations on the functionalities of the integrated tax administration system and discussions on how stakeholders can contribute to its successful implementation. For Vice TV, Fat Kruger reporting.